Hello, we've had some inquiries about just how noisy the generator is here in the camper van. So right there's the box that contains the generator, and it is very well sealed and insulated. Really doesn't make a whole lot of noise. So the engine's running right now, the air conditioning's on 3/4 speed. So there is a little bit of noise in here, but not much. Let's start the generator up. So really, there's not much noise. I mean, it's actually way quieter than you'd think it should be for being in the location that it is. And there it just kicked the load on because the air conditioning's on. If you heard that, that wasn't planned, but that's good. AC's on. You know, it's not really noisy at all in here. It's actually quite quiet.